2017 WRX on its way to Colorado from Pennsylvania. Worth noting and brought to the attention of the buyer is the grille has some issues, notably this seemingly home done red pinstriping. It's also broken, just recently discovered, so that will be disclosed as well. Some fading on the black portions, which is very normal. The headlights look clear. Found one tiny little ding here. I doubt will show up. There it is. Under the hood we have our typical rad condenser fan set up. You guys do a great job and don't cut hoses. We don't cut wiring. So you get quite a bit for your front rebuild. Fuse box, air box. That ABS pump's included in this one, not always included. Sometimes we leave them. Same goes with the dash. Not always left. He's getting a little freebie as far as gauges in there as well, speedometer cluster. Those are all just not inventoried parts that the customer is going to get as a bonus. Some carbon fiber trim on the dash as well. Give me a call if you have any questions, 800-222-2528. My name's Jared. My direct extension is 112.